Hi YouTubers, this is Captain Mark with Captain Mark Reviews. I'd like to let you know I have over 1,600 subscribers now on my channel and I'm very excited about it. So I'd like to give something back to my subscribers, so I'm going to be raffling off a $50 gift certificate from Amazon. So watch the video. At the end of the video I'll be telling you how you qualify. It's very simple. And to let you know, I have the 220 iPad Pro 11-inch. So let's get to the video right after the intro. Hi everyone, look what I have today. I have the 2020 iPad Pro 11-inch and we're going to do an open boxing on this. And I have Apple's Pencil, the second generation with wireless charging on it. So I'm excited to open that up too. So let's start with the tablet. As we go to open up, we pull on this. Look at how nice Apple has on the way to open up these packages. It's so well thought out. Oh, I'm excited to get this open. And there it is. Yeah, there's our baby. Whew. Let's put this off to the side. Here, let's see what's inside. I'm sure this is our instructions, and I'm hoping we open it up and we can see some, oh, there they are. That's what I'm looking for. Our Apple decals. Nice big ones. Here we have our brick, and that's our normal power brick. And here we have our USB-C to USB-C charging cord, data cord, and I believe that's it on the box. I always love this part where you peel it off. This is the best part of the whole thing. It comes in our silver. Open it up. Get that off out of the way. And here we are. Look at this. Look at how beautiful this tablet is. Wow. And so we're going to look around this now, and you'll see we have two stereo speakers. We have the top button for the on and off. We also have microphones. Over here we have the volume up and down button. Here we have the magnetic connector, which we'll get to opening the Pencil, Apple Pencil for that. On the bottom, we have the USB-C connector, and we also have two stereo speakers on that. And here, last but not least, we have also an additional microphone on the side. So this baby is totally covered. I love the silver finish to it. It also has like a cool little stripe going around the side of it there. You'll notice that the camera, though, it does stick out a little bit. You can see it's just a little bit raised up. So you're going to have to get some kind of case on this to protect the camera lens. The iPad Pro 11-inch 2020 is 11 inches from edge to edge with this beautiful liquid display with the Pro Motion, which is 120 hertz refresh rate, and you can just see how quickly it moves through pages. It has the True Tone, which you can see here with just a click of the button. And it also sports the light and dark mode. It has the brightness now of going all the way up to 600. Incredible brightness. You can use this outside in daylight. The 2020 iPad Pro 11-inch, it comes with the A12 Bionic chip with the neutral engine. The camera on the back, which is so unique, it's the same as the iPhone Pro. It has the 12 megapixel wide camera, the 10 megapixel ultra wide camera, and the LiDAR Scanner. On the front, it comes with the 7 megapixel true depth front camera. Also has the Face ID to secure your authorization and Apple Pay. We showed you that it has the 4 stereo speakers on it, 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. It has the 802.11ax Wi-Fi 6, so it has very good Wi-Fi signal in sending and receiving. The battery life on this is really good. It's 10 hours. What I really like about this, it has the USB-C connector on it, so you can do accessories, fast charging. It also supports now the Magic Keypad, Sport Keypad Folio, which is really nice, the new one they came out with, and the Apple Pencil, which I told you about, which I'm going to open up here in a minute. The Apple-designed neutral engine enables on-device machines learning ready for the next generation. With the new LiDAR scanner, the new features measures from distance surrounding an object up to 5 meters away. The scanner, combined with the data from the camera and the motion sensors, enable a whole new level of AR experience. The A12Z Bionic chip makes the iPad Pro faster and more powerful than most Windows PC laptops. Combined with the powerful neutral engine and the 8-core CPU, it offers best performance ever in an iPad. The studio quality microphones on the iPad Pro has the same number of built-in microphones as the processor, but they offer a professional studio quality. I also have the Apple Pencil, which is the 2nd generation, which has a wireless charging to it. Let's open it up and see how it is. Pull the tab off. Pull her down. Now this pencil only works with the iPad Pro 11-inch and the 12.9, 2018 through 2020. And again, I like the little pull tabs that they have for pulling out the pencil. Very, very nicely packaged. Apple does a great job in that. And pull this off to the side. And here we have all the information on the pencil. And here we have the pencil itself. Very nice and sleek. What you will notice on the Apple Pencil is it has a flat spot on it. And this is for the charging on the tablet, and I will show you. There's a spot right here for the wireless charging. And you basically just click it down. There you can see your Apple Pencil. Every time you place it on the charging spot, it automatically sets the Apple Pencil to use, and it gives you the status of the battery charge. Set this up right now. It's very easy. Does it all for you. And there we are. It's done. Remove it, and you can move it back and forth. It's seamlessly with these pencils. Apple Pencils are great. They work so nice. The Apple Pencil features a precision, responsive, and traditional writing instrument, and so much more. With the Apple Pencil, you can turn your iPad into a notepad, canvas, or any other thing that you can imagine. Here we can show you on the notes how it is for writing and drawing. It's amazing. Look at that. So responsive. No latency. And pressure sensitive. It gets darker as you push a little harder. Also with the Apple Pencil, tap twice and it erases. Very nice. I love that. It's compatible with the iPad Pro 11-inch, 1st and 2nd generation, also with the iPad Pro 12-inch, 3rd and 4th generation. So that's my review for the iPad Pro 2020 11-inch with the Apple 2nd generation pencil. The Apple Pencil retails for $129, and the new iPad Pro 11-inch Wi-Fi with 256 gigabyte. I will leave the link also for that down below. It retails for $8.99 on Amazon. And I'm going to be giving this a 5-star review for the pencil and the tablet, which are both great items. So if you think the information was useful in helping you purchase this iPad, which I hope it was, or the pencil, why don't you give me the thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below, and of course, hit the bell to the right to catch my upcoming videos. This is Captain Mark saying thank you for watching. Okay, YouTubers, I'm going to tell you how to qualify. First, you must subscribe to the channel. Second, you must, in this video, make a comment down below with the word win. That's all you got to do to qualify. And I will do a random drawing on the 17th of May. And this is for the $50 gift certificate from Amazon. So everyone, good luck. I wish you the best. And thanks again for being loyal subscribers. This is Captain Mark saying thank you.